In a latest development today, Telangana Chief Minister and Congress leader Revanth Reddy has been asked by the Delhi police to join a probe in connection with viral doctored videos of Union Home Minister Amit Shah discussing the removal of the 4% unconstitutional reservation for Muslims in Telangana. According to sources, the police served notices to 5 people, including Reddy in his capacity as State Unit President, who posted the video on X. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, who is also the Telangana Congress chief, has been asked to appear on May 1st, 2024 with his mobile phone allegedly used for posting the fake video on X. It was initially reported that Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has been summoned by the Delhi police in connection with the case. However, Congress spokesperson and legal advisor Ramchandra Reddy clarified this allegation. He said that the notice sent by the Delhi police was only against the social media team of the Telangana Congress and nobody else.
We have received a notice from Delhi police seeking information and evidence from the social media head, Mr. Manne Satish. Just now we have received the document. We have to go through the contents of the FIR, then only we can respond. But it is only against social media team, but not anybody else, against anybody else.
So how many notices have been issued?
I have received 3 notices on behalf of Manne Satish and Asma Taslima and Shiv Shankar.
Is it regarding the Amit Shah's mouth video?
We are not confident because we have to go through the contents. As of now, we are not received the copy of complaint. Let us go through the contents of the complaint, then we can respond.
An FIR has also been registered by the Hyderabad City Police after a complaint was filed by the Telangana BJP unit against the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee, the TPCC. Reacting to this, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy said that Prime Minister Modi has now employed the Delhi police to win the Lok Sabha elections after using the CBI, IT and ED until now. He also said that he is not the one who would get scared and would instead hit back.
CBI को इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे चुनाव जीतने के लिए. अभी मेरे समाचार मिला है तेलंगाना कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑफिस में दिल्ली पुलिस पहुंचा हुआ है. सोशल मीडिया में कोई पोस्टिंग लगाया, इसीलिए तेलंगाना के कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को, तेलंगाना मुख्यमंत्री को हम अरेस्ट करते बोल के नोटिस लेकर तेलंगाना गांधी भवन में पहुंच गए. इसका मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ईडी, इनकम टैक्स, सीबीआई हो गए, अभी दिल्ली पुलिस को इस्तेमाल कर रहे चुनाव जीतने के लिए. यहाँ पर कोई डरने वाले नहीं है भाई, यहाँ पर पलट के जवाब देने वाले हैं.
It is also reported that the Assam police has arrested one person in connection with the case. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma took to X and said that the person arrested has been identified as Ritom Singh. However, he did not share any other details regarding the individual or the arrest. Now, this development comes a day after Delhi police registered a case following complaints by the Ministry of Home Affairs and the BJP. The special cell has registered an FIR under various sections of the Indian Penal Code and relevant provisions of the IT Act. The complaint alleged that some doctored videos are being circulated on social media with the intent of creating disharmony among communities, which is likely to affect public tranquility and public order. The BJP has alleged that an old video of Amit Shah discussing the removal of 4% unconstitutional reservation for Muslims in Telangana was edited to falsely depict him calling for ending reservation for the SCs, STs and the OBCs. Take a look at the alleged morph video of Home Minister Amit Shah, which has been in circulation on social media.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो एक गैर संवैधानिक एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी का है वो रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे. रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे. भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो एक गैर संवैधानिक एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी का है वो रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे. रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे.
In the morphed video that just played out, we could hear the Home Minister talking about abolishing reservation quotas for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes if the BJP comes to power. Now here is the real video. Take a look.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो एक गैर संवैधानिक मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे. ये अधिकार तेलंगाना के एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी का है, वो अधिकार उनको मिलेगा और मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को हम समाप्त कर देंगे.
In the real video, Amit Shah can be heard saying that if the BJP comes to power, then the party would remove the unconstitutional reservation for Muslims in Telangana. The complaint also alleged that the doctored video was allegedly shared by the official Telangana Congress X account and subsequently several party leaders reposted it. Now, responding to this controversy, Telangana Minister Ponnam Prabhakar spoke to my colleague Abdul Bashir. Let's listen to what he had to say.
देखो ये तो बात सही है, आरएसएस की माइंडसेट ऐसी है। मोहन भगवत जी ने बहुत बार कहा है रिजर्वेशन मुक्त भारत बनाएंगे, अभी रिजर्वेशन का जरूरत आगे नहीं है। और उसके अलावा भी आपने मंडल कमीशन जब लाया था, आप मंडल कमीशन रोकने के लिए कमंडल यात्रा करें। आपका इरादा साफ है, आप लोगों का बीजेपी का इरादा रिजर्वेशन को रोकना या हटाना। बीजेपी 400 सीट इसलिए पूछ रहे हैं, अगर सरकार में 400 सीट के हाथ आए तो 3/4 मेजॉरिटी के साथ ये रिजर्वेशन हटाएगा। इसमें क्या फर्जी वीडियो बनाने की जरूरत नहीं।
Meanwhile, Delhi police has also asked X and Facebook to share the details of the accounts that uploaded the alleged mod video. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today So South.